Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a very popular linked list problem from LeetCode, add two numbers. This problem is a classic interview question and it's great for practicing linked list manipulation. We will break it down step by step and walk through the code together. Ready? Let's dive in. So let's understand the problem first. We are given two non-empty linked lists representing two numbers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of the nodes contains only a single digit. Our task is to add these two numbers together and return the sum as a linked list. Now let's see with an example. So first linked list we are given a number 3, 4, 2. Now it's in reverse. So the linked list will contain 2, 4 and 3. The second linked list contains the number 465. Again, since it's in reverse order, linked list will actually contain 5, 6, 4 in this order. Now let's first do an addition separately. So how do you add two numbers? We start from the least significant digit. So here least significant digit is 2 and 5. The addition of it is 7. So we get 7. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. So we get 0 and 1 gets carried forward to the next digit. Now we add 4 plus 3 7 and plus 1 the carry. We get 8. So the answer is 807. Now since we have to return it in reverse order, the actual answer will be 708 in the linked list format. So, solving this problem requires two key things. Number one, the digits are stored in reverse order. That means we do not have to do any extra processing in reversing the number. So that's a done deal. The second key factor in solving this problem is that we have to traverse both the linked lists together. So how to do it? We do it this way. So first we traverse the first element of both the linked list together, that is 1 and 2. Here the sum of 1 and 2 is 3. So we add 3. The next we go to the next node of the first linked list and the next node of the second linked list. We take 2 and 6. Then we add it and we get 8. Then we again go to the next node of the first linked list and the next node of the second linked list. And we get 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Here, since it's a number greater than 9, so we get a carry. So here the 0 will come and we will get 1 here. Now 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 and hence our number will become 5. So our final answer will be 3805 in linked list. Okay, let's see how our coding logic will look like. First of all, we will initiate our while loop till both of the linked lists are empty. So we'll start with the first node and then add them up. Now before saving it, we will also define one of our empty linked list with a head pointer and a tail pointer. Why we are doing it, we will see as we iterate through the loop. Now in both of our linked list, when we take our first number 1 and the second number 2, add them up, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new node and move our tail to this new node, and we will keep head on the first node like this. Now we will move our while loop to the second node of both the linked list. Here we will get 2 and 6. We will add them up and we will get 8. 8 we will store in a new linked list node and then we will point our tail to this newly created node. And in this way we will do it for the next node. And again when we'll add 7 and 3 we'll get 10, but 1 will be carried forward. and hence will only store 0 in the new linked list node. Once this is done, we have to monitor that the linked list, second linked list is empty. So, but the first linked list is not empty. So we won't iterate through the second linked list. Now we will just iterate through the first linked list. Here the digits are 9 and we have now carry. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 0. Again, we will store it into a node and then move our tail to this newly created node. Now both of our linked list are empty, but we still have a carry, and hence our while loop will work till both the linked list are empty and carry is 0. So we will add this carry as 1 and then move it our tail to this final value. Now if you see this final linked list, we have a head pointer denoting the start and the tail pointer denoting the end. But our head pointer right now denotes 0. So what we are going to do is we will return head of next as an answer. So this will be our final linked list returned back to the main function. Now let's code it. So first of all, we have to define the carry variable and we will define the head and tail pointer to our newly created linked list. Then we will start the loop and this loop will go on till the linked list 1 and linked list 2 and carry are not null. So first of all, we get digit 1 and digit 2 from both the linked list. We will add them and then we will find out if it is greater than 9 to get carry. Once this processing is done, we'll store this sum of these two digits into a linked list node and then move our tail to this newly created linked list node. And then we will move the pointers for both the linked list to the next node till both are none. Once it is done, we return the head node. When we submit it, and as you can see, it passes all the test cases, and then we submit it and it passes in 7 milliseconds. And that's it. We have solved the add two numbers problem using linked list. Linked list can be tricky at first, but with practice they become much easier to work with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thank you.